enabling QuickpayConnect to get paid faster. Tap Enable and then follow the instructions. Next, you'll be redirected to your utilities sign-in page. Sign in, confirm your account number, and check that the third-party application says Meltek. Next, select Share until I revoke it. On this authorization, check all 3 data categories and click on Accept. Authorization complete. Give it a moment, and you're connected right back to Meltek. Already signed up? You can connect straight from your dashboard. Under QuickpayConnect status, find the account marked Not Connected and hit Connect. Same modal, same 3 steps. Log in, confirm your account, share until you revoke it, accept, then head back to your dashboard. When it says active, you're all set. If a connection ever drops, just tap Reconnect. Meltek, save energy, make money.